Today I am going to introduce you the article part 2. Definite article the. It points out one definite or particular person, place or thing. What are the uses of definite article? When we speak of a particular person or thing, let us see the example. Shut the box. Here particular thing is box. When a singular noun or an adjective of quality represent a whole class, the rich are not always happy. Here rich shows that adjective. So then before that adjective we are using the. Before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, winds, mountains, etc. Look here, the Arabian Sea, the Godavari, the Indian Ocean, the monsoon wind, the Himalayan mountains. Before certain geographical names, the Deccan. Before the titles of books, the Gita, the Bible, the Ramayana. Before the names of well-known buildings and newspapers, the Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Parliament House, the Times of India. Before that superlatives, the oldest man. Before names of things of unique on their kind. Example, the sun, the moon, the earth. Before names of important events, the mutiny. Before an epithet like Ashoka the Great. As an adverb with comparatives like the sweeter the cake. Before a noun with a special emphasis. Now is the time to escape. Before the name of a community, a nation or a class of people like the Hindus. Before the names of directions towards the east. Before an adjective denote an abstract quality, we should always love the beautiful. Before an adjective in the comparative degree, not more than two. Example, John is the wiser of the two. Here two are there, comparing in between. So that is why here we used the. To make a proper noun common, Bombay is the London of the East. Before numeral adjectives, all the students of the 5th class were absent. Before a proper noun preceded by more or less permanent adjective. Example, the late Mr. Gokhale. Before same, after all, both and half. This is the same building.